Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to delete your content playlist on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do, open your TikTok application, and if you are in the home section here, you just need to jump into your profile. So the playlist is something that in this line. Now to delete this playlist, you just need to go choose which playlist that you want to delete. So let's say I would like to delete this playlist. To delete this playlist, you just need to go click these three small dots right here, and after that you just need to go click delete the playlist. And next you need to confirm that you want to delete the playlist, and those playlists will be disappear from your playlist line. You can do the rest for the next playlist that you want to delete. So that is the way how to delete your playlist on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.